Now, let me tell you something unbelievable. This and this, they are the same person, oh. Oh, I brought out the fan today because this one is hot. I don't even need animations because it's already diabolical. But so this is Lyn May, and she was a gorgeous Mexican actress, and this was around the 1970s to 1980s. And when I say she was at the peak of her career, oh, she was at the peak. Studios were after her everywhere. For those of you granddads that can remember, then you know she starred in movies like Tivoli, Carnival Nights, and even The Loved Ones. Basically, she was on a roll with sponsorships pouring everywhere. There were even rumors, possibilities of her getting a movie award. And bonus marks, she could dance. They say when she stepped on the dance floor, the crowd would go wild. However, Lyn May, like many other women, especially women in the movie business, had beauty insecurities. Now, I don't blame her for this one because perfection was the trade for comfort. And in her trade, it was beauty. But for her, it went a bit too far. It's best to know that at that time, plastic surgery was just becoming popular. And a lot of celebrities were trying it out, dipping their feet in the waters. Allegedly, and I say so cautiously, one of her friends told her to try it out. Now, I searched and did not find records of this claimed friend. So let's just call this friend June. Pun intended. Now, June was like, May, you so pretty, you so fine, but your beauty is fading, and these young senoritas are getting ripe, and they're still your position. Now, May thought deeply about it and was disturbed even more. Like she would space out just thinking about how to look more beautiful. She really did not want to lose her top spot position. And so one casually brilliant day, May went to see June, and then June tells her that she had someone that could help with the procedure, and that it will be quick, it will be reliable. Now, unknown to May, her friend took her to what we call a quack doctor. Now, May laid on the operating table. She was scared, afraid, but greatly expectant about the results of the surgery. What she did not know was that Dr. Quack had his own style of performing these facial surgeries. And I kid you not, just the mention of the ingredients would scare and scar you. Because Dr. Quack injected her face with cooking oil, baby oil, and just regular tap water. And that was it. Boof! Her face began to swell. Painful abscesses formed. And the once glamorous actress was left permanently disfigured. Naturally, Dr. Quack and June took off in time. And Lyn was left with a terribly... You get what I am saying. Now, she has gone through a lot of surgery since then to fix her face. So, one can only imagine how terrible it once was. But there's a lesson to learn. When you hear beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, remember that it is not just the lovers that behold your beauty. Haters see you too, and some of them are close. What was that quote again? Lord, protect me from my friends. I can take care of my enemies. Robert Greene, 48 Laws of Power. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Oh yeah, and like.